Parrots are undoubtedly one of the most fascinating families of birds. Renowned for their remarkable intelligence, captivating vocal abilities, and strikingly vibrant plumage, they have long been a subject of fascination for humans. With an extensive range of species, parrots exhibit incredible diversity in size, color, and behavior, further adding to their allure.
Among the wide array of parrot species, there exists a fascinating tapestry of colors and sizes. From the diminutive budgerigar, commonly known as the budgie, with its charming green and yellow feathers, to the resplendent hyacinth macaw, which boasts the title of the world's largest parrot species with its deep blue plumage, parrots come in a stunning spectrum of hues. In terms of behavior, they display a wide range of social interactions, from the communal lifestyles of monk parakeets to the more solitary habits of the kakapo, a nocturnal, flightless parrot. These differences in appearance and behavior showcase the remarkable adaptability of parrots across various ecological niches.
One of the most intriguing aspects of parrots' lives is their dietary preferences. These omnivorous birds have an eclectic appetite that encompasses fruits, nuts, seeds, and even insects. Their strong, hooked beaks are well equipped for cracking open nuts and seeds, while their agile tongues help them manipulate their food. Some parrot species, such as the kea from New Zealand, have even developed a taste for meat, making them opportunistic scavengers. This diverse diet further underscores the adaptability of parrots to their respective habitats and highlights their unique role as seed dispersers in many ecosystems. In essence, parrots are not only visually stunning and intellectually impressive but also ecologically significant, contributing to the health and diversity of the natural world.
Parrots have found their way into human homes as beloved pets, demonstrating their versatility in adapting to domestic environments. The unique blend of intelligence, vibrant plumage, and adaptability makes parrots a truly exceptional group of birds that continue to captivate both scientists and enthusiasts alike. Parrots exhibit varying degrees of social behavior within their family units. Some species, like the African gray parrot, are known for forming strong pair bonds, often remaining monogamous for life. In these close-knit family groups, both parents actively participate in raising their offspring, sharing responsibilities such as feeding and nurturing.
White parrots, characterized by their pristine plumage, form a captivating subset within the diverse parrot family. Species such as the striking cockatoo and the graceful umbrella cockatoo are notable examples of these ethereal birds. Their snow-white feathers provide a striking contrast to the verdant landscapes of their native habitats, rendering them truly mesmerizing. Children often exhibit a deep and natural attraction to parrots, and this connection is rooted in several enchanting qualities of these birds. Parrots' vibrant plumage, especially their striking colors, immediately captures a child's attention, sparking curiosity and wonder. Their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech, can be both amusing and fascinating for young minds, creating a unique avenue for interaction. Additionally, the playful and social nature of many parrot species makes them relatable companions for children, forging bonds that can be both educational and heartwarming. Overall, the allure of parrots lies in their visual appeal, captivating behavior, and the engaging experiences they offer, making them delightful subjects for children's interest and affection.
The average lifespan of parrots varies, but many medium-sized species can live for 20 to 30 years in the wild and often longer in captivity. Some larger parrot species, like the macaws, can have lifespans of 50 to 70 years or more. Breeding habits differ among parrot species. Some parrots breed annually, while others may only breed every 2 to 3 years. The breeding frequency depends on factors such as food availability and environmental conditions in their native habitats.